Hey doctors, how are you? And today in this video we will talk about the working length determination. Welcome to DUSU Medical. So let's get started. Firstly, we will talk about the definition of working length. Working length is defined as the distance from a coronal reference point to a point at which the canal preparation and obturation should terminate. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो वर्किंग लेंथ है वो एक कोरोनल रेफरेंस पॉइंट होता है। जब हम कैनाल प्रिपरेशन करते हैं तो वहाँ पर जो क्राउन होता है वहाँ पर एक कोरोनल रेफरेंस पॉइंट होता है और उससे लेकर के जहाँ पर हमारी ऑब्चुरेशन टर्मिनेट करती है वो जो डिस्टेंस होती है उसे हम बोलते हैं वर्किंग लेंथ। So this is the definition. Now we will talk about various methods of working length determination. The methods consists of radiographic methods, which consists of Grossman method or mathematical method, then Ingalls method, Vane's method, Cutler's method, radiographic grid, endometric probe, direct digital radiography, zero radiography, subtraction radiography. Now then another is non-radiographic methods. It consists of 3 points: digital tactile sense, apical periodontal sensitivity, then paper point method. Then the third one is electronic apex locators. These are the recent advancements that are used. So thank you for watching this video. If you like, then please like, subscribe and share, and check the description for more information. And if you want another video for regarding any another topic, then you can comment also in the comment section. Thank you.